Horror unfolding in the serene mountains of Kishtwar. In the remote Chisoti village, the base camp for the annual ongoing Machel Mata Yatra was bustling with pilgrims when the cloudburst struck, leading to a massive flash flood on Thursday. Many houses were swept away, shops and vehicles buried in the mudslide, including a security camp. The death toll is already above 60 and is steadily rising, while hundreds are injured and missing.
From this particular village, the yatra begins. This is the starting point of the yatra, and that is why there were a large number of devotees here. But unfortunately, there was a massive cloud burst which triggered flash floods, and as a result of that, the shops were washed away. People lost their belongings, and many people were also washed away. And as per the latest information, 44 dead bodies have been recovered from the rubble, but you can see the scenes of destruction and devastation. Right now I'm standing exactly at that spot where a massive cloudburst occurred yesterday at Chishodi village in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. You can see this entire stretch. You can see the extent of damage that has taken place. Right now, the rescue teams from the SDRF are trying to build a makeshift bridge, a temporary bridge. There was a bridge here, but that got washed away yesterday because of the flood waters.
Scenes of grief, pain and helplessness at the Kishtwar District Hospital, where the injured are being treated. Outnumbered staff members are treating incoming survivors.
मेरा ब्रदर था, उसकी वाइफ थी और उसके बच्चे थे।
ये कौन है जो मिसिंग?
उसकी वाइफ है मिसिंग।
की भाभी?
हाँ जी, मेरी भाभी है।
और आपका भतीजा?
भतीजा तो है, हाँ, ठीक है, भाई भी ठीक है।
भतीजा मिल गया?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
ये जो आपके भाभी है वो मिसिंग है?
वो मिसिंग है सर।
मेरी बेटी और बेटा और वाइफ बेची थी।
वाइफ भी है?
तो बेटी को लगी हुई है और रेफर कर दिया जम्मू, और वाइफ बोल रही है कि वो मिसिंग है, नहीं मिल रही है और शायद डेथ हो गई इसकी।
वाइफ और बेटा मिसिंग
है, और बता रहे हैं कि वाइफ की डेथ हो गई है, बेटे का भी कोई पता नहीं चल रहा है सर।
The SDRF and the NDRF are racing against time to rescue those trapped, working around the clock despite inclement weather. One SDRF Jawan, Shah Nawaz, was seen holding an infant whose parents were missing when the cloudburst struck. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and LG Manoj Sinha in the wake of the flooding. The Chief Minister has confirmed that he would be at the spot soon to review the extent of damage, monitor rescue ops, and assess the need for further assistance. As the next of kin identify retrieved bodies, hundreds have been rescued, but many continue to be missing. With Sunilji Bhatt in Kishtwar, Bureau Report, India Today.